Welcome to the channel. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to download and install Python on Windows. To download Python file, first open your browser. In the address bar, type python.org. Press enter. It will take us to Python official website. Here we want to download Python, so go to the downloads. And here you can see download Python install manager. I already made a video on this, how to download and install Python on Windows using Python install manager. Today we'll use standalone installer. So I'll click on this and download is started. And here we can see the downloaded file. So here to install this file, click on this open file and minimize this. So here we can see the setup window. The latest version 3.14.3 64-bit. Now here you can click on this install now option. It includes IDLE, pip and documentation. Or you can go to the customize installation. Okay, you can select your own features. I'll go with this install now option. Before that, we need to click on this add python.exe to path. Here in Windows, path is an environment variable. So we need to add Python to path. So click on this option and now click. Setup progress. Wait for some time. Okay, setup is done. Close this. Now to check whether Python is installed in our system properly or not, go to the Windows search bar and type Python, and here you can see IDLE documentation. That means Python is properly installed in our system. Okay, next let's verify whether Python is successfully added to path. For that, open the command prompt, type Python space -- version, and here you can see Python version. That means Python is successfully added to path. If you get any error here, something is wrong. Okay, so this is about how to download and install Python on Windows. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.